Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for the Final Fantasy VII Remake. So yeah, got this today, delivered today. Yeah, had a bit of a problem with this. I was one of the people that pre-ordered it from Game in store, and unfortunately, due to Rona, good old coronavirus, I couldn't collect it. So they were apparently going to get a hold of me and give me a solution, but they never did. So I just went and ordered it off shop2.net anyway. So yeah, and it came today. So I ordered it quite late, to be fair. Ordered it on Wednesday. So, and it came. No, I ordered it on Tuesday, and it came today, which is the Thursday, which is one day before release. So yeah, obviously on the front you can see you got Cloud and his sword. I love the demo, by the way. Never played the original, but yeah, really liked the demo. So there's the back. Got Cloud. The Legend returns for all generations. It's on 2 discs as well, so one's a data disc and one's a play disc. So install size is 100 gig minimum, and it is only a 1-player game, and it is PS4 Pro enhanced. And then inside we have some stuff about Final Fantasy and Kingdom Hearts, code for that there, so if anybody wants it they can have it. Some instructions, the data disc and the play disc, and there's also a reversible cover, which, to be honest, I'm not really too keen on that reversible cover. I much prefer the normal one that comes with this one. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Final Fantasy VII Remake on the PS4, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers, bye bye.